Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 553, and today's topic is the medicinal properties of super vegetable that is called onion. In the last lecture I have already discussed about the respiratory fruit and vegetable, and I told about onion, but here I am going to discuss some more detail about the chemical constituents of onion. And I call onion one of the best vegetable to boost our immune system and to maintain healthy respiratory system. And nowadays all of us are aware that it is only our robust or very strong immune system is allowing us to survive and to face coronavirus disease that is called COVID-19. And here only our high quality, strong immune response is keeping us, we can say, healthy against coronavirus attack. First thing is that onion is the best vegetable for healthy respiratory system because onion contains lot of flavonoidal molecules that is called polyphenolics, and they are very powerful antioxidant as well as anti-inflammatory. And you know, nowadays it is very clear that by this disease COVID-19, the problem comes that our lung gets, I can say, highly inflamed. Chronic inflammation is there of our lung. And if we are keeping on anti-inflammatory vegetable or fruit, definitely it will not allow inflammation to store or to overreact. Because of that inflammation, actually at moment very clear picture is there that most of those people who are dying out of coronavirus disease is because of hyperinflammation, chronic inflammation of the lung, and that inflammation is making our tissues to be damaged and then formation of clot. Onion is also acting as anti-blood clotting because of presence of one very powerful flavonoid that is called quercetin. So this quercetin structure I am giving here is a very important. This is benzopyrone nucleus, one is benzene nucleus, other one is pyrone nucleus, and this pyrone nucleus is 2-phenyl group is there, and that is this is your very powerful molecule which is present in in onion, and this is called quercetin. It is actually phenol nucleus. Sometimes the sugar will be linked either here, this is your 7th position, or this is your 8th position, or sometimes the sugar may be linked here in the, and it will be in the form of glycoside. This quercetin is having a lot of medicinal properties. First thing is that it is a powerful antioxidant, means it will drastically scavenge or reduce the formation of free radical. You know, when we are taking oxygen during the process of oxidation, lot of waste products are produced, and that waste product is nothing but free radicals. And these free radicals will directly can oxidize our lipid into two type of fat. One is known as LDL, other one is known as uh, DLD, that is good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. So it is either LDL or SDL. SDL means good cholesterol and LDL means bad cholesterol. So actually this quercetin will not allow the oxidation of lipid into bad cholesterol. So your good cholesterol will be intact in presence of quercetin. And there is a latest research paper by the Netherlands University that this quercetin, this flavonoidal molecule, is well absorbed in our intestine. Whether your onion is cooked or raw, quercetin will maintain its structure, and once it is well absorbed, it will act as antioxidant in our blood, in our muscles, at the same time anti-inflammatory, and at the same time anti-clotting, and it is also antiviral as well as antibacterial. It is also anti-allergic, anti-asthma, means anti-allergic. So this onion is having, lot of medicinal importance. And once we get the onion, immediately we get the tear, once we cut out with slice of onion, raw onion. But that crying or tearing is with a smile, means your all the biological rust, toxin from your eyes cleared by sulfide allyl compound, that is the peculiar pungent smell of onion oil. So an onion also contains enzyme, that is oxidase, and other oxidase, and that plays very important role in our digestion. That's why digestive system is very good when we are taking onion. It also contains hormone, vegetable hormone, and that plays very important role for other metabolic process of sugar. And this vegetable hormone is very much similar to your insulin, and that's why if you take onion, you are protected from diabetic condition. So these are all medicinal properties. I am going to be one by one. So here onion, that the botanical name of onion is Allium cepa L, and it belongs to family Liliaceae. Eating raw onion can relieve from asthma crisis. It is anti-allergic. Onion is rich in the following minerals like potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, and phosphorus. And it contains vitamin B2, B6, B1, and C. Number 4, the presence of flavonoid, then glycosides, improves the blood circulation. Actually, the main is the flavonoidal content, that is quercetin. Prevent blood clotting. Onion is rich in quercetin, one of the most active flavonoid, and quercetin is well absorbed in the intestine, either it is raw or cooked, and it provides strength to arteries, and it is also anti-cancer. So I have already told you all these medicinal properties of onion. Here the number 5 is onion is rich in 2 enzymes. One is oxidase and the second one is diastase. Number 6, onion contains vegetable hormone, and that hormone is called glycoquine, and this glycoquine I have already told you is working just like insulin, and it helps to control the diabetic condition. Then number 7 is help to reduce pain after bee sting. Wherever there is inflammation, bee sting means there will be swelling and inflammation, and it is powerful anti-inflammatory because of presence of flavonoid. So when there is bee sting, if you just apply onion paste, it will be okay. Number 8, powerful antioxidant. And this is very powerful antioxidant because of presence of one specific compound, that is glutathione plus quercetin, and so many other flavonoidal components which are present. They are making it very powerful antioxidant, means it can destroy the free radicals and protect from heart disease and cancer disease. Number 9, onion stops and control sore throat because of presence of vitamin C. Number 10, removes dark skin spots, that is known as melasoma. So melasoma can be taken here if you take 50% onion powder or paste, and into it add 50% apple cider vinegar, and then you mix it and apply on the skin. It will maintain the pH level of the skin and the black spot will go. And number 11, detoxifying agent is a very powerful detoxifying agent because in air, due to tube light and mercury present in a lot of lightning, a lot of mercury is escaped and lot of lead is escaped because of use of petroleum, and we inhale it in presence of air. So this onion is a very good detoxifying agent which can remove it because of presence of lot of sulfur containing amino acids. Number 12, onion prevents from prostate cancer. Actually, all those vegetables which are present in allium group, like onion, like garlic, they are all known as anti-cancerous. Number 13, helps to maintain brain health, and we are all worried about our memory loss. Onion plays very important role in keeping our memory sharp and brain healthy. So with this, I will stop about the chemical constituents of onion. And personally speaking, I cannot imagine and think of living without onion. And I believe that all of you add to your food either raw onion, steamed onion, fried onion, in any form, so that you get lot of quercetin and flavonoid to fight all those diseases and to improve your respiratory and general immune system. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.